Hey guys, this is a video to show you how my Laugh Math is set up and then also to talk to you about your in-class notebook. The first thing you want to do is log into your Blackboard and find our class. And then once you're in our Blackboard shell in our class, you want to make sure that you start by setting up your My Laugh Math right there. Setting up My Laugh Math. It will give you instructions on how to do that. I like the view it option. It gives you a list. You will hit start and it will walk you through step by step how to set up your My Laugh Math. Once you are done doing that step, you'll be able to click on the link that is labeled My Laugh Math. Once you do that, it's going to take you here and you are going to click on My Laugh Math and Mastering Course Home. Once you do that, it's going to bring you here. Mine looks a little bit different because I have some more options as an instructor, but I do want to focus on certain things. If you click on assignments, that is where you will find the assignments for the entire class. That means that you can keep going on your own pace. You can always work ahead. All of the assignments, you can also choose to just look at homework and or quizzes and tests. When you're looking through here, quizzes and tests are open. Please be sure that you look through your syllabus so that you are aware that you get 3 chances per quiz. More information is outlined in your syllabus. Please be sure to do that. Same thing with your tests. You do have a prerequisite, meaning that this assignment needs to be done in order for your test to open. So again, please be sure to follow up on your syllabus for more details on this. But all of your assignments will be outlined right here. So you can keep working as fast as you can at your own pace. And keep in mind the due dates. They are here outlined as well, but they're also outlined in your syllabus. The other thing I want to talk about is make sure you watch the videos to get you allocated with the content that you will be covering in the homework assignments. If you click on Multimedia Library on the left-hand panel, this is where you will find additional resources. You can search by chapter and sections, and you have different options. You can look at your textbook, you can look at chapter test prep videos, video lectures, PowerPoints. There are so many options for you to be able to get the different content to be successful in that chapter. The other place you can go for additional resources is right underneath that. It is called chapter contents. If you do that, you are able to click on the specific chapter and you have the option to go through each of the sections. You can read the text, you can watch a lecture video, and you can even do a workbook. Those go along with the video. So you can take your own notes. If you have a printer at home, you can print this out before you watch your video. Then you can do your practice. Again, this is another resource besides the videos that are posted and outlined in your assignments. There's so many resources. I just want to encourage you guys to go in here and just learn your My Laugh Math. There's so many things on here that are great for you guys. If you click on gradebook, this is where you would find the grade for the class. So everything that we will do in the class, it will be done through My Laugh Math. All of your assignments, all of your quizzes and tests, and your grade will be shown here, not in your Blackboard, but here. You can click on entire course to date. That would be my best advice to you all, and then you'll be able to see your grade and the points according to each of the categories. So that is your My Laugh Math. The other item I want to talk to you guys about is your in-class notebook. I'm really excited about that because if you read through your syllabus, which is right here, you would know that I outline a lot of different topics in your syllabus in regards to your in-class notebook. Your in-class notebook is a link down here. If you click there, and I'm going to show you, If you click on your in-class notebook, it's going to ask you to sign in the first time. After you sign in the first time, you won't need to do it again. Your sign-in is the exact same credentials that you used when you were signing in for your Blackboard and your student email. So your username will be your student email and password associated with your email, and Blackboard is the same for anything Office 365. So in this case, sorry about that. So in this case, it would be the same for the OneNote. But the great thing about the OneNote is it's just like an interactive notebook. Think of those 5 subject notebooks. This is what the OneNote is, except electronically. So please feel free to look through this. This is for you. You're not able to delete or erase anything. It's just for me to share information with you. Underneath formula sheet and calculators, you will find your formula sheet that you are allowed to use on your assessments. I've uploaded some how-to videos where you can download a calculator free on your desktop or laptop, and it looks something like this. Let me show you. And it's just like a graphing calculator, and it does everything that you would on a regular calculator. Again, that's how to download the Wabbit. And then I also have a link for a scientific calculator that you can use if you do not have your own at-hand calculator. I have another section called soft skills. And there's a lot of great strategies here to how to overcome test anxiety, how to study for a test, what to do before, during, and after a test. So there's a lot of great tools here for you all. And underneath, Chapter 7, Chapter 9, Chapter 10, 11, and 12, these are all the chapters that we will cover in our MAT086 class. These are another resources that I put together for you all. I put together PowerPoints with answers already on them that you guys can utilize if you're not really liking, or if you find the videos in your My Laugh Math not sufficient for your learning. Here's another resource. They're not all PowerPoints. There are some that have other interactive tools. For example, this one on 7.5 and 7.6 has also additional resources. So please take a moment to look through all of this. This is all available for you. However, the most important section here is going to be your tests. If you click on tests, please take a moment to read through the testing procedures that are outlined on your syllabus as well. But this is how you will get your passwords in order to open up your tests. I already have one for your test 1, but the other ones will not open, and I won't put the password until the week of the test. Again, this is all outlined on your syllabus. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy putting it together, and I can't wait to be able to meet all of you. It's going to be a great 5 weeks. Thanks.